Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Donald Siami, author of A Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Today we are looking at calculus. Calculus is just a branch of mathematics that deals with changing quantities. Now there are two types of calculus. There is differential calculus and integral calculus. Today we are looking at differential calculus. So if we have a function, let's say we have y is equal to ax to the power n, and you are told to differentiate with respect to x, or to find the derivative of y with respect to x. This is how you do it. You say the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to, so you get the power, you multiply it with the coefficient of x, then that power you reduce it by 1. So it is n multiplied by a, you get an, then x to the power n minus 1. So the power should multiply the coefficient, then the coefficient you reduce it by 1. So this is how you perform differentiation. Then the other thing which you need to understand is that the differentiation or the derivative of a constant number. Derivative of a constant meaning the term which has no variable or has no x. So if we have a derivative of a constant number, let's say c, this is equal to 0. Okay, let's go to the questions. Given that y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 3, find dy dx. So we have y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. We want to find the derivative of this function. So you say dy dx is equal to, so we said the power should multiply the coefficient. So we say what is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. Then that power you reduce it by 1. So we are going to have 2 minus 1 is just 1. So that is x. Minus, here we know that the power is 1. So 1 multiplied by 4, we are going to get 4. Then the power is 1. 1 minus 1 is a 0. So any number to the power 0 is 1. So in this case, you just get rid of the variable. So when you are differentiating and you find that the term has a variable with power 1, then just remove that variable. So the derivative of 4x is just 4. And this 3 is a constant. Derivative of the constant is a 0. So the derivative of y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 3 is just equal to 4x minus 4. We have 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Then that power reduced by 1, so we have 4x. Derivative of 4x, since that variable has power of 1, you just get rid of the variable. So we remain with the 4. So that is number 1. We go to number 2. Number 2, given that y is equal to 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1, find dy dx. So we have y is equal to 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1. Okay, so here we'll say dy dx is equal to, power should multiply the coefficient. So 3 multiplied by 4, you get 12 x. Then 3 minus 1, you get 2. So this is 12 x squared. Minus 2 times 2, you get 4. Then the power, you reduce it by 1, so you get x. And that is a constant. Derivative of the constant is a 0. So you get 12x squared minus 4x. Okay, we go to question 3. Number 3, the equation of the curve is y is equal to x minus 2x squared plus 1 over x cubed. So we have y is equal to, it's x minus 2x squared plus 1 over x cubed. Okay, so here we have this 1 over x cubed. So we need to write this in index notation, meaning the x cubed should go upwards there on the numerator. So if you go back to indices, we know that if we take this x cubed upwards, then the sign here will change. Here it is positive, then on the numerator it will be the power of negative. So we're going to have y is equal to x minus 2x squared plus this x on the numerator will be x to the power negative 3. Okay, then we find the derivative. So we'll say dy dx is equal to, the derivative of just a variable is always equal to 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. Why is it 1? This is power 1 and the coefficient here is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, and you reduce the power by 1, so we're going to have a 0, and we know that any number to the power 0 is 1. So derivative of a single variable is just 1. So derivative of x, you get 1 minus here the power to multiply the coefficient. So 2 times 2, you get 4. Then x, the power reduced by 1, so you get just x. Then plus, this is negative 3. Negative 3 multiplied by 1 there, you get negative 3. So we're going to have minus 3. Then x to the power is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1, we're going to have a different sign. So different signs we subtract. Negative 3 plus 1 or minus 1. Negative 3 minus 1, you have same signs. And same signs we add and maintain the sign. So minus 3 minus 3, it will be minus 4. Okay, so we're going to have dy dx is equal to 1 minus 4x minus, then since here we have the power of a negative, we can bring this downwards so that the power becomes what? Positive. So we are going to have 3 over x to the power 4. So this is how you perform calculations to do with differentiation. So these are just basics of calculus. Thank you so much for your time.